Hi guys, how you going today? So we're literally like 3 k's away from finishing the ride and I got a puncture, which is awesome because I get to show you how to change a tire and I wanted to do that. And so what you do is, actually I'll remove my garment first, I don't want to get that damaged. Put in my helmet there. And there's your bike, right? So what you do, turn it upside down first. I should have gotten out my spare tire, but probably didn't leave there, but we'll get out my things. What we're going to need is a spare tire and these levers. I know what they're called now. Okay. So firstly, we disengage our brakes. So there's a little, there's like a little thing here. You just disengage them and then you unscrew, take your wheel off. Yeah, you just unscrew it, you hold from both sides. Just unscrew it a little bit more. Bang. Easy. Easy. Okay, we've got our levers. And we just kind of scoop it up. So we need to completely deflate it. Screw it. Yep, we'll scoop it up and we tag. And then we go a little bit along and we scoop it up again. Yeah, you can go one by one, you know, if you're finding it a bit hard. There, oh, okay, it's coming off on the other end. And off you go, easy. Easy stuff. Yep, so now you have your valve there. This one right there has a little screw on there, like a little washer thing, so I get that off. And then I remove my tire. I find it a bit easier to remove it from here to begin with. And we just pull it out. Bang.
Remove the tube?
Remove the tube, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, tube, sorry. Yeah. The tire is this bit, this is the tube. Bang. Easy. We have our tube, a spare tube without a puncture.
Do you want to check like inside the lining of the tyre to see?
I do.
Before you put the new one?
Do that. So we're just checking, making sure there's nothing in there. Nothing bugged me, so it's great. Okay, what we do next is we find where that valve before was at, and then we get this big valve. Let's do a little cap. And we position it same place. Bang. Easy. It's in. Now we're just placing the tube inside the tyre. Yep. And then we'll need our levers as well. Inside. And then we start putting it on. Bringing the tire in. And that's when we need it. Just kind of yourself a valve. Yep, bang. It's in. Find our valve. Yeah, open it up. pump it up all the way to like the 100 psi, but it will pump it up to about 60 to 80. So you'll be able to ride to the point where you can pump it up further. So this one right here, it's easy to use. All you do is you kind of put it on your valve there. Make sure that this valve is open. You just kind of hook it on. Yep, it clicks, and then you put the lever up. Then you got a pump. Make sure that it's on, like it's clicked on, otherwise your actual pump will be out and about and you'll be bending this little valve here, like for example like on this one, see it's a bit bent, and I've broken valves before doing something that's silly. So there you go, then you just pump away. It'll be a while. Oh. Bang, bang, bang. Definitely a lot easier doing that at home with your hand pump, foot pump I mean, but it's on the road.
Literally.
Hard, I can still like put a, it's not really, so it'll be hard to ride on, but it's not punctured, huh? Okay, now you just move the lever and you pull it out, because if you're going to try and pull it out with the lever up, you're going to be just releasing that air, as well as you again might break the valve or bend it or whatever. So I've done that before as well. Don't do that. Okay. Alright, that's good enough. Put a little cap on if you want. It's not necessary, but it's all good. Okay. And now it's on, and now you screw it back on. Yeah? Now make sure that this lever at the end ends up towards your frame. Otherwise, if it's over here, it can catch on stuff while you're riding. But again, if you do it too tight, you won't be able to press it down. See, like I didn't do it too tight, but it's still reasonably hard for me to move it. Push it down. Sometimes I just use like a bit of fabric to make it easier on my hands. My girl hands.
Strong girl hands.
Yeah, man. Here you go. Off we go. Now, you got to remember to engage your brakes again by pressing that lever. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a check. Spin it around. We're going to check that it's aligned. So if you come up closer, you can kind of see these are your brakes. There's the wheel. And you just kind of, so it needs to not stop without you stopping it. And bang, my brakes work. And I'm just going to do a little ride for you, just to show you. This way. Always be safe, wear a helmet. So we're putting on helmet. There's more cars. Oh, there's one big car there coming, but we'll just do it.
You'll be right.
Run for you. There you go. Woohoo! And that's how you change a tire.
Woo!